Apparently, yeah, I can't see anything. My glasses broke, so I have. Anyways, got a giant woodpecker here. He was here yesterday. I'm gonna have to try to sneak up on him so you can see him. He's been working and digging. Oh, he's got a great big grub. Oh, I could see him pull that out of there. I can't see my screen on my phone. Oh, he's a little shy. Oh, and it helps if somebody comes out and starts yelling at you. Alright, he's coming back down. Oh wow, he's flipping stuff out of it. Man, he had a really big worm, or big grub or something. Oh, I scared him away again. Alright, well, I guess that's all the woodpecker video we're going to get today. Cut.